Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my life at this moment and unlocking the wealth that's waiting for me. Have you ever wondered what it takes to truly reach financial freedom? I'm talking about having the ability to live the life you've always dreamed of, free from financial stress and anxiety. The truth is, it all starts with recognizing your life-changing moment, that specific point in time where everything shifts, and your wealth journey takes off. We've all been there, stuck in a vicious cycle of debt, lack, and uncertainty. We're led to believe that building wealth is only for the privileged few, that it's too complicated, or that we just don't have the right mindset. But what if I told you that these are just myths, misconceptions that are holding you back from achieving your full financial potential? The biggest barrier to achieving financial success is often our own mindset, the fear of taking risks, the fear of failure, and the fear of uncertainty. And then there's the pressure to conform to societal norms, to follow the crowd, and to play it safe. But safe rarely leads to financial freedom. We're also often misinformed about what it truly takes to build wealth. We're led to believe that it's about getting rich quick, making a ton of money in a short amount of time. But the reality is, wealth creation is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about creating a system, a process that generates consistent income, and it's about being patient, disciplined, and persistent. And let's not forget about the get-rich-quick schemes, the scams, and the false promises that only lead to more financial pain and suffering. Our environment, the people we surround ourselves with, and the media we consume also have a profound impact on our financial mindset. We're constantly bombarded with messages telling us that we're not good enough, that we need more, and that we should keep up with the Joneses. But what if I told you that true wealth has nothing to do with material possessions, fancy cars, or luxurious vacations? It's about living a life that's true to who you are, a life that's filled with purpose, meaning, and fulfillment. So, how do you recognize your life-changing moment for wealth creation? It starts with a shift in mindset, a willingness to let go of the past, and a commitment to creating a new financial reality. It's about embracing uncertainty, taking calculated risks, and being open to new opportunities and experiences. You must be willing to challenge the status quo, to question the norms, and to forge your own path. And most importantly, you must be willing to take action, to take that first step, no matter how small it may seem. The most critical insight I want to share with you is that your life-changing moment is not just about making more money, it's about creating a system that generates wealth consistently. It's about building multiple streams of income, diversifying your investments, and creating a safety net that protects you from financial shocks. It's about creating a wealth mindset, a mindset that's focused on abundance, gratitude, and generosity. And it's about recognizing that wealth creation is not just about you, it's about the impact you can have on your loved ones, your community, and the world at large. Your life-changing moment awaits, that point in time where everything shifts, and your wealth journey takes off. Will you seize it, or will you let it slip away? Remember, it's not about the money, it's about living a life that's true to who you are, a life that's filled with purpose, meaning, and fulfillment. Thanks for joining me on this journey of transformation and unlocking the wealth that's waiting for us. Share your thoughts on wealth creation in the comments below, and if you're ready to take the next step towards financial freedom, check out my video on practical steps to achieve financial independence.